Meow! Cat on kimono, what are you doing? You are mooning! I'm talking about the COK coin and it is exploding. We made a video about cat on kimono when it was only 2 million. Currently it is sitting at a market cap of 26 million, around that. It is exploding and there is so much ongoing with the project that I thought I need to make a video about it. I'm currently on holiday, but I thought I need to make a video about cat on kimono because there is so much ongoing, and I also see there is still a huge opportunity for everyone. And I'm sorry guys, it is a little bit of a different setup because the background is not in the middle, but I'm in the middle of the video. But as you can see here on the right side, cat on kimono. It is a cute cat wearing, just super simple, a kimono. And one of the reasons I'm so hyped about this project is it is a real vibe. There is no centralized team. It is a community takeover project and I see the potential. Around 60 people that are all decentralized, so no centralized team. All the 60 people are working for themselves. They have their own bag, supporting this project to make it a $1 billion project. But that is not all. There is one thing that I want to show to you. Do you know Wif, Dog Wif Hat? This project reached several billions in market cap. It is also exploding currently and it did already more than a 1000x. I am mentioning this because the Wif deployer just bought from the deployer wallet cat on kimono. Here you can see the official transaction. And now you may be thinking, this can be random luck, right? He maybe copy-pasted the wrong wallet. No, guys. No. I want to show to you another thing. It is more evidence that maybe the Wif deployer or founder or the team is more involved than you think. And I'm not saying this as, yeah, they are the founders. No, not at all. There is no founder. It is only a decentralized team of 60 people running this project. But the Wif team is actively supporting this project. Here we can see Dave. And Dave is a team member of Dog Wif Hat. He says, crazy how I was the guy that brought you all the $1 billion Dog Wif Hat. And now the first $1 billion cat is also brought by him. He announced it also at a super low market cap. So just as everyone, they are also involved on the background, helping, supporting, giving advice, but not as a team member, just as a community takeover person. This was one of the spaces from Cat on Kimono. And I see multiple guys changing the profile picture on Twitter, changing it to a cat of themselves, wearing some assets like hat, cat, different kimono, because it is a real vibe. When a project has a real vibe, it means that the people are more dedicated to hold long term. And this is one of the reasons that I think cat on kimono can reach a $1 billion market cap. Myself, I'm not selling it all. We currently have around 15 to 20x profits. And I'm still holding it to 100 to $1 billion market cap because I see the potential. It is really showing some real vibes on Twitter, spaces, more people changing the profile pictures. And this is what we need from a real memecoin project. We don't need the fast hassle. No, we want long-term vision. And this is what all these guys have. They hold their bags to 1 billion and maybe above, but who knows? Recently, also the guys grabbed some money together to pay CoinMarketCap. Lately, CoinMarketCap is asking $5,000 to get your project listed. So these guys collected $5,000 from each other, spend it on CoinMarketCap, and now the project is also listed on CoinMarketCap. And to everyone who thinks that I didn't make a video 2 weeks ago on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to know more projects that are hyped, more information about cat on kimono, don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto June channel. We have almost 5,000 subscribers. I'm super grateful for everyone who subscribed to the channel. And I see you in the next video, guys. I will enjoy my holiday here for the next 2 weeks. So see you later. Bye bye.